In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the SalesCaptain Marketplace in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. Head over to the Marketplace page from your dashboard and you'll see the landing page with a set of handy filters on the left for developer, category, industry, listing type, cost, and account tiers. You can also toggle to view only your installed apps up top, but for now, click on the search bar and type in Social Planner. Go ahead and select the result that pops up, then scroll down to explore more details. Over in the right side panel, you'll find relevant categories and key information about the app. Scroll back up and hit that Install button. That's all it takes. You'll see a confirmation pop up, and when you expand the main menu, Social Planner now appears in your apps list, so click to open it and check out the setup. To uninstall, head back to the Marketplace and this time toggle to Installed Apps to find Social Planner. Click to open it and select Uninstall. Now, when you open the main menu again, the app is gone. Just like that, you can install and uninstall custom and third-party apps with the click of a button. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.